Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite squishies or all my squishies, and my friend's on the phone, so she might be talking.
Hello.
Maybe you shouldn't say your name just in case, okay? And don't say my name because I'm not really allowed to have it on YouTube. So, yeah. Okay, so for the first squishy I have is this nice ice cream squishy. I love it. Okay. And then I have this whale squishy. Super cool. Yeah, I have this whale squishy, and I have a big where my elbows squishy. I have a big amount of ones and stuff. So, and then I got this guy. Pretty slow rising. Okay, my favorite squishy, my owl squishy. Are you still on the phone?
Mhm.
Okay, it's owl squishy. Okay, and then I got this guy, nice bunny with a part.
And I know some of these squishies also because she brings them to school.
Yes, but she doesn't probably see all these jumbo ones because I'm not allowed jumbo ones at school.
Mhm.
She's my friend from school. We never actually had a real play date. Then I got this one, and she's also watching videos off my YouTube channel because she just searched it. I told her what it was.
Yeah. So if you hear another video in this video, that's just because I'm watching one of hers.
Okay, and then I'm gonna be taking the bin right here. Okay. So first squishy.
Wait, you have a rock collection?
Yeah, I love rocks.
I'm watching.
Okay. Where's my favorite one? Oh, is this it? No, it isn't. Okay, I'm gonna look for a really nice one real quick. Okay. Well, I can't find my favorite one. I got this one.
Are we still doing the video?
Yeah,
Okay, then do it.
I'm doing it. I got this one. It's really nice. And I got this one. It's color changing. I really like it. See, it color changes. Oh, and these ones are also color changing. They take a long kind of to color change, but I'm not going to show that. Then I got this one that I made. It's really cool. What's that?
Ad.
Oh. Okay, so I got this one. I really like it. Then I got this strawberry squishy. It's
Adriana,
yeah.
when you're done, can you, when you do it, I'm going to be on YouTube and I'm going to watch it. I'll be able to hear me.
Okay, we call it showing all my squishies, okay?
Okay.
And then you'll see the shirt that I wore today.
Okay.
And you'll see me with the same ponytail and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, I might not have time to show all my squishies because I have to go soon. But I have this one. Very nice. Then I got this guy. I love him. Super cool. And some of these squishies are homemade
And
too.
since you're eating, I'm eating chips.
My friend. Okay, and then I got this bunny dude. I did a video with this guy. Like showing him. Okay, and then I got my unicorn squishy. I really like her. Hey, where is this? Okay, and then I got a bunch of egg guys.
One egg guy I know.
Yeah, I have like, let me count how many egg guys I have. 1, 2, 3. I'm just counting how many I have for my friend.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 egg guys. I have 9 egg guys. Okay,
What
so I'm
are
gonna.
their colors?
I have 3 yellows, and one's not actually like the same. 1 green, 1 purple that I no, 2 greens, 1 purple that I painted, and 1 pink, and then this other egg that's just brown.
And a red, the guy that you brought to school.
That was orange.
Oh, orange.
Yeah. Okay, and then I got this. I think I showed all my eggs. This egg.
You have so many big squishies.
This egg. This egg.
perfectly while traveling, so now it's time to pack for their trip.
Who's that?
The two dolls that I'll be
This egg.
taking with me on my vacation is
This
Wally
egg.
and McKenna, so this is Wally's
This
traveling
egg.
outfit.
This egg. And I don't think she's watching my YouTube channel anymore, but that's fine.
And next to that is McKenna's
This
traveling
one,
outfit.
I really like him. He's a fishy man.
Who do you like?
With gray pants and gray flats.
I got my burger, my cat burger, another cat burger. They're similar to this one, just this one's pink and it's smaller and it's more slow rising.
Oh.
Okay, and then I got this monkey.
Oh.
I really like it. I got this. Really like it. For some reason, I'm obsessed with this. It's just a cracker. I know.
Well,
What?
video almost done.
Okay, I'm not gonna show all of them, but yeah, I'm almost done because I just want to talk to my friend for a bit. Okay, and then this is the last squishy. Bye bye.